For more than 60 years, PNRI has been a vital part of the Northwest, an innovator, a catalyst for progress. As the first private nonprofit biomedical research institute in the Puget Sound region, PNRI is a founding member of Seattle's thriving life sciences community. PNRF, as we were originally known, was founded in a cold January in 1956 by Dr. William B. Hutchinson. The Foundation's first board meeting convened at a home that had once belonged to a Seattle pioneer, Captain W.R. Ballard. From its beginning, Dr. Bill and PNRF took an entrepreneurial, can-do approach to solving problems.
PNRF provides the opportunity for scientists to pursue meaningful, basic, and clinical research without the interference of bureaucracy, scientific politics, or personal considerations.
It's an approach that has continued to drive breakthroughs in research for more than 60 years.
In keeping with Dr. Hutchinson's original intent, we have stayed small and in many respects kept things simple. If a scientist has a question or a problem, we solve it right then and there. No committees, no votes, let's just solve the problem.
People have been looking at what causes disease for a very long time, with the hope that if we understand what causes a disease, then we'll know how to treat it. The unique opportunity we have at PNRI is to look at those rare individuals who don't become sick, even though, according to science, they should be. By studying those individuals, we can understand the solutions that our genes have developed that could help treat, prevent, or even cure diseases in the future, and that's really exciting.
We each inherit a unique combination of genes, most from our parents, but some that arose for the first time in us. Each is born with a burden of genes that cause disease and dysfunction, but we are generally more healthy than our genetics predicts. Individuals who are healthy despite inherited genetic disease risk or exposure to adverse environmental conditions are evidence for nature's solution to these problems.
There's a large part of the genome that's not just genes. Our lab is really interested in what's happening in the rest of the genome. A major component of that other part is a class of pathogens called transposable elements. We are on a path to discover that these elements impact human health in ways that science hasn't understood before. That really opens doors into the role these elements might be playing in a whole range of diseases.
The way biology is changing and the way research tools are changing is so dramatic now that in order to study any disease effectively, you must bring these tools together and understand how all of the components work together. You have to be willing to be led by where the data and the evidence takes you rather than following any preconceived ideas about how things work.
PNRI is an organization committed to driving our most important discoveries down a path towards improving human health. We are actively looking to make smart bets on early-stage research with high potential for impact. In research today, these organizations are the exception, not the rule. PNRI is just that kind of an exceptional place.